Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then we have to scroll and find the eye care, which is the name of the eye comfort mode or night mode in this device. So we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, you can also customize it. Just tap on this mode, tap on this option, and now we've got this the switcher. Thanks to it, we can change the intensity. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also custom the schedule, so we can set the schedule. Right now we've got the manual option, but we can choose the start and the end time manually, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or we can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise is, or it is location based. As you can see, you will have to grant a permission to use the location. Let me go back and basically this is it. This is the customization, and of course you can have much faster accesses option. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to find the eye comfort mode, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on. It will be immediately applied, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.